how to fix no post available on Facebook. So if you want to fix no post available on Facebook, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you've opened, go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, tap on the profile, and under your profile, if you have no post option, like if you scroll down, here you will have no post available, right? So if you want to remove this no post available option, what you need to do is you need to simply go for the profile, and under your profile here on the right side, you need to have three dots. So tap on the three dots, and here you will have activity log. Tap on activity log. Here under your Facebook activity, you will have post option. Tap on manage post, and here you will have all of the posts, right? Tap on the filters, and you need to filter by category or by date. So if you choose a category, here you need to choose your photos, posts, and videos. So tap on that, and here you will have all of the posts, right? Only the post. So what you need to do is simply go for the right side, which has that three dots, and then tap on change audience, and then choose public. Go back, and then again go for the other post, tap on the three dots, tap on change audience, and then tap on public. And once you've done this for all of your posts, then you will fix the no post available on Facebook. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.